Today I will discuss about the biology subject chapter 10. Main topic is factor affecting photosynthesis. Factors which are divided into two as the external factor and the internal factors. I can divide the factors affecting photosynthesis in two categories: external and internal factors. Under external factors, there are many factors. Like important factor is sunlight, means light, and next factor is CO2, next one H2O, next one as the oxygen also. Here internal factor generally the numbers of stomata present on the leaf and amount of chloroplast or chlorophyll, and next factor is anatomy of leaf. So these are the factors which affect photosynthesis. First of all, I want to discuss about the first factor, that is the sunlight. And light is the factor in which photons reaches on the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll then become active and takes part in the different types of assimilatory condition, different types of reaction like phosphorylation and reduction reaction. But phosphorylation is mainly depends in the presence of light. But we study the light on three heads. First one, intensity of light. Intensity of light, first factor. Here the intensity of light, it has noticed that the photosynthesis rate decreases in the high intensity of light. High intensity of light. As the photosynthetic rate is found best in the low intensity of light. Here in low intensity best photosynthesis occur. Low intensity best photosynthesis occur. Second factor is color of light. As color of light, it has noticed that in red color, maximum photosynthesis occur in the higher plants. Second, blue color and no photosynthesis in green color. Here, why no photosynthesis or photosynthesis does not occur in the green color? This is the question. Because plant absorb light and reflect back. So things appear such color, like leaves appear green color according physics due to the reflection of green color, but according biology it is due to the presence of green pigment chlorophyll, chloroplast. So green color photosynthesis does not take place, and maximum photosynthesis in the red color. As blue color second one after red color, but blue color has importance because blue color has high energy. So blue color reaches deeply in the water, and that is why mostly brown algae use such color in the water for photosynthesis. Third one is duration of light, means duration. As the continuous light falls on the leaf shows less photosynthesis than the intermittent light. Intermittent light means sometimes a flash of light fall on the surface of leaf, then a small moment discontinuity is found. Again flash of light fall on the leaf. This is called discontinuous light falls or intermittent light duration. Intermittent light duration result much photosynthesis than the continuous light falls on the leaf. Second factor is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is second factor after light. As carbon dioxide 0.03% in the atmosphere, 0.03% CO2 in the atmosphere, and photosynthetic rate increases when CO2 become about 1% in air. Photosynthetic rate or photosynthesis increases. So, if the CO2 increases, then photosynthesis increases in the C3 plant. Which type of plant? In the C3 plants, in which Calvin cycle occur. But in C4 plant takes the photosynthesis in C4 plants they take photosynthesis at CO2 0.03%. So C4 plant require less carbon dioxide for photosynthesis in comparison to the C3 plant. Next one, third one is water. Here, third one is water. As water which involve in the photolysis. In the photolysis, in photosystem second, when production of hydrogen ion which takes part in the formation of NADPH plus H positive by the NADP positive, as electron produces in photolysis of water, which makes normal condition of reaction center of PS second. But here water amount decrease. Water amount decreases due to much transpiration. Much transpiration result, water amount decreases, then hydrated cell closed or closing of stomata. When closing of stomata, then decrease of photosynthesis. Decrease of photosynthesis take place. Here the external factor is as light. I told you three type of condition in the light, like intensity of light, in which the photosynthesis rate decreases in the high intensity, of light. In low intensity, base photosynthesis occur. Next one, color of light. Then in red color shows maximum photosynthesis, and blue color shows the second after red color as photosynthesis. No photosynthesis in green color. Here fourth one is oxygen. Fourth one is oxygen means O2. As photosynthesis rate increases due to the due to the less oxygen supply, sometimes high concentration of oxygen decreases photosynthesis. Why photosynthesis decreases? Due to the high concentration of oxygen, because in high concentration of oxygen, enzyme Rubisco act as oxygenase enzyme. So carbon dioxide which is used in the reduction in the synthesis of carbohydrate, mostly 50% destroyed. So low concentration of O2 increases photosynthesis. In this way, four types of external factor has explained. Now come to the internal factor, like numbers of stomata. Here, much stomata increases photosynthesis. Much stomata increases photosynthesis. And less number of stomata decreases photosynthesis. Why? Because less amount of carbon dioxide enters in the stomata, and if less amount of carbon dioxide enters in the stomata, then less reduction result, less organic food synthesis take place. Next one, amount of chlorophyll. Much chlorophyll in broad leaves of tropical forest increases photosynthesis, increases the photosynthesis. Next one, anatomy of leaf. Here, in the sunken stomata, less CO2 enters, minimize photosynthesis. In this way, factors affecting photosynthesis has discussed in two heads, as internal factors are 3 and external factors are 4, in which first factor is light. Light can explain by 3 heads. One is intensity of light. As intensity of light increases, or if the high intensity is found, then the photosynthesis rate decreases. Second one, color of light. Photosynthesis is maximum in red color. Red color shows maximum photosynthesis, and blue color second one in blue color of light in PAR. PAR means photosynthetically active radiation or visual spectrum, and no photosynthesis in green color. Here, third one, duration of light. Duration of light. Duration of light is third. So here continuous light falls on the leaves shows less photosynthesis than the intermittent light falls. Third one is here, second one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, which generally has 0.03% in the atmosphere, and when carbon dioxide becomes 1% in the air, photosynthesis increases in C3 plant. But C4 plant can photosynthesize at the 0.03% carbon dioxide concentration. So C4 plant is more efficient in the photosynthesis in the low percentage of carbon dioxide in comparison to the C3 plant in which Kelvin cycle take place. Third factor is water. As you know, water breaks when photons fall on it. In the presence of manganese and chloride ion, this is called photolysis of water. As a result of photolysis of water, H positive means proton, E negative means electron, and oxygen gas produces. Oxygen gas, which utilized in various process, metabolic process, oxidation process, but hydrogen which added with the NADP positive and produces NADPH plus H positive. In the light reaction, which is used in the dark reaction in the carbon dioxide reduction to synthesize the carbohydrate. Here, electron which produces, which used up in the normalize the reaction center of PS second. So, water amount decreases due to much transpiration. One phenomena which is called as transpiration. Transpiration means the loss of water from the leaf surface by the small pores called stomata. If much transpiration take place, means the cells which has less water, stomata closed, and if stomata closed, then photosynthesis minimized. So in this way, the water's amount is necessary for photosynthesis. And fourth one, oxygen. At high concentration of oxygen, the decrease of photosynthesis because RUBP, ribulose 1,5-biphosphate, when changes into the PGA in the presence of enzyme Rubisco, and at that time when carbon dioxide combined with the RUBP, Rubisco acts as carboxylase type of enzyme. But in the high concentration of oxygen, Rubisco acts as oxygenase and loss of about 50% of carbon dioxide, which reduces in the form of carbohydrate in the photosynthesis. So photosynthesis decreases in the amount of high concentration of oxygen, and less concentration of oxygen, much photosynthesis take place. Now, two important points I suggest as included in the such type of factor also. These points are, first point is, that is the Blackman's law of limiting factor. Blackman, I told you earlier, Blackman, you know that, who told about dark reaction. Here, one law which is called as Blackman's law of limiting factor. Blackman's law of limiting factor. And this law given in the 1905. And this law is the modified form of the law of minimum. Law of minimum given by the Lee as law of minimum given by the Lee, which modified in the form of Blackman's law of limiting factor. Blackman told that suppose one phenomena, that is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis phenomena are life process when effected by the several factors like carbon dioxide, H2O, chlorophyll and sunlight. Then it has noticed that the photosynthesis phenomena which effected by the four factors, as first factor carbon dioxide, second one water, third one chlorophyll, fourth one sunlight. Then Blackman told that the factor which is present in the minimum amount act as limiting factor, like carbon dioxide act as limiting factor if the sunlight present but carbon dioxide is absent. At that time, carbon dioxide gas act as limiting factor. But when CO2 and sunlight both present, CO2 and sunlight both present, then high concentration, high percentage shows limiting factor. In this case, high percentage shows limiting factor for photosynthesis. One very important point as 2-minute lectures, that is the one important point of this topic, that is the cardinal points. What are means of cardinal points? As cardinal points, that is the three cardinal points hypothesis of Sachs. Now we study about the three cardinal points hypothesis of Sachs. Sachs in 1860 told about the cardinal point hypothesis. These cardinal points are the points as first one minimum point, second optimum point and third maximum point. Here, suppose intensity of light, if now start the photosynthesis, the amount of value of factor which start the photosynthesis is called minimum point. So first one is minimum point. Minimum point means at which photosynthesis start. At which photosynthesis start is called minimum point. Second one, optimum point. Optimum point means when photosynthesis is found maximum. as maximum photosynthesis. This is called optimum point. And third one, that is the maximum point. Maximum point means the cells told that when the photosynthesis stops, then this is called as maximum point. At when photosynthesis stops, this is called as maximum point. So these are the small view about the cardinal points hypothesis of Sachs. Okay.